Hello, I have done some updates to this rotary table I use in this lockart, so maybe now I could go through what changes I have done here. My plan is to take this with me to this lock workshop I'm planning to run with some my fellow locksporter colleagues in Disobey, so I was thinking it's kind of cool if I have also the logo in there. So now if we first look what changes I have done, how to run this RC car servo motor here. So last time I was running it with directly from 1.5 volt battery. So now what I have done, changes done. So here I have one DC chopper, this one here, and here comes 20 volt. Then this I changed this tuning with this screw here to 1.3 volts. Maybe then it's going, I'm using this mouse wire. There was 4 cables, so 2 for this and 2 for that other. Then so now I'm running this motor with this DC chopper, and as a power supply I have some 20 volts if I remember correctly. So if I switch this on, this motor should start to rotate like that. And now I can adjust the rotation speed by modifying this. So if I want to increase the speed, I can do like this, and then the speed should increase. But I like that this art is going slower, so I think something like this is nice speed. So that, and then I changed also the cabling a bit there, and then there's this, if someone accidentally tries to pull from this or push from this, there's this stopper from one of those locks. So this is about the motor. Then for this LEDs, set of LEDs I checked from the web. They were 3 XML type. And then first my idea was, last time I told it that I was planning to run this utilizing this. Maybe I stop this if this is making some noise. So earlier I was planning to run this these LEDs with this flashlight driver, but then modify input voltage here, and for some reason it seems that it was able to change the how bright this lamp was. But then one my old colleague who has ex-colleague who is more experienced on this said, thank you for your guiding. He said that it's not good idea to use this. So I used this only to measure the voltage here. It was 15.4 volts, and then current was 0.8 amps. So there was 2 alternatives I think to run this. One was with certain fixed DC voltage and then put this series resistor here. This is 10 ohms resistor, 4.7 ohms, and then if I feed this with 20 volts I get roughly 1 ampere voltage if this is here. I tested it. Yes, it functions very simply, no driver needed, but this heats too much. I don't like that it heats so much. So it was in 1 minute or a few minutes time it was already quite hot. Then I tested to have these 2 in series. Then of course less light and less heating, but then I decided that maybe this series resistor is not good idea. Then I decided to use this DC chopper, but here you need to have this current limit. So in this, what I use for the DC motor, I don't have any current limit. Okay, there's some current limit because this is quite weak. It can run few amperes maybe. But in this other, I have to use current limit. So first I set this output voltage using this to 15 volts. And then using this other, I change the current limit to something like 0.8 amperes or something like that. Okay, by changing this you can adjust how bright is this color. Then I also added here one button to turn on and off this light if you want to run it without light. This is originally from the flashlight. Yes, and then what other things? Then some thing to background, so no short circuit, and then RC car cabling. Okay, so let's see how this lamp functions. Okay, now I connected cables for the lamp and let's put the light on. Okay, not starting, maybe this was not on. Okay, it's quite bright. By changing this I can adjust the current so it will be less bright. And then with this I can switch it off. So these changes I did to this. Maybe I can put this on. I don't have to look. This kind of changes I did. And let's check how it looks with the real art.